Good day everyone, my name is Juju Sidaton from EBLS 1A, and this is my artifacts of social-cultural factor, socio-psychological factor, and socio-political factor. Let's start! Let's go! The topic I choose in socio-cultural factor is Black Lives Matter movement or BLM. The Black Lives Matter movement is a powerful socio-cultural phenomenon that addresses racial inequality, police brutality, and the experience of black people in the U.S. It rooted in challenging societal norms around race and privilege, and it has sparked cultural shifts in conversation about systematic racism. I choose the Black Lives Matter movement because the BLM protests and the social media campaigns challenge cultural norms surrounding race, inequality, and justice in America. The movement emphasizes the need for systematic change and it highlights the cultural value of racial equality. It also sparks cultural decisions about how society views race, law enforcement, and justice. In social psychological factor, the topic I choose is the Stanford Prison Experiment. The Stanford Prison Experiment, conducted in 1971 by psychologist Philip Zimbardo, explores how individuals can adopt extreme behaviors when placed in controlled social settings with clear power structures. Experiment demonstrate how social rules and groups dynamics could influence people's actions, often leading to extreme behaviors like cruelty and submission. I choose a scene from the Stanford Prison Experiment. In this famous study, participants were assigned roles as guards or prisoners in a simulated prison. The experiment showed how easily people adopt harmful behaviors based on their assigned rules, demonstrating the power of authority and the group dynamics in shaping individuals' actions. This aligns with our class discussion on social influence and the psychological effects of power. In socio-political factor, the topic I choose is I Have a Dream by Martin Luther King Jr. This iconic speech is a powerful socio-political artifact that addresses civil rights, social justice, and the political struggle for racial equality in the United States. King's speech calls for an end to racism and a shift in social and political policies that uphold inequality. I selected Martin Luther King Jr.'s speech, I Have a Dream. In it, King passionately calls for an end to racial segregation and discrimination, aiming to create a more equitable society. His speech not only exemplifies the political struggle for civil rights but also highlights how political actions can reshape societal norms and promote justice. It ties into our discussion on how politics can influence social change. And that's all. Thank you for watching.